So if you guys out there thinking if this thing cannot fly in a strong wind, now you guys can see. So the Tello is in sport, you can say fast mode right now, and a strong wind, and then we're gonna go for form, see how it goes. Woohoo! Wow, still running fine. Wow, look at this guy. Woohoo! Wow, look at this guy going upwind. Woo! Are you good? It's pretty quick. Woohoo! Thing moves, look at that. Woo! Become like a bird. It's going to the trees. Yeah. Wow, interesting. Even though with this wind condition, you got to see to yourself, look at us like a GPS. Very surprising. Look at us going upwind. Woo! Wow! This thing is zooming. Look at that, another one. Woo! There's another one. Wow! Tello! We're gonna go ahead and go over here. Going upwind. Wow! There's another one. Woo! Man, this thing fly like butter. I mean, it does affects with the wind, but man, if you put in a sport mode, and you're talking about, it's windy, guys. Look how windy it is. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, I want to show you guys how windy it is. Blowing. And this guy still gives you, you see what I'm talking about? See, right now it's windy. This thing is not even affecting anything. Woo! Wow. So you guys can see how windy it is with gusts. And look at Tello flying it without no problem. Look at that. Wow. So if you guys out there thinking if this thing cannot fly in a strong wind, now you guys can see. You better get your facts right. Because the Tello flying here right now. So I think that's the reason why I'm probably different. So I'm extreme reviewer, and you can see how blown it is. Now look at it. So it's not even moving. You see my hand? I'm not even touching the transmitter, and you can see the Tello still flying. Right. So thank you for watching and tuning into my channel. Appreciate it.